Rodrigo back in the side as well. So
now that scares you.
Yeah.
Vinny and Mbappe.
They're lacking pace.
Modric is on the cusp of his 40th. This year, September.
Unbelievable career.
No, he has been a player, hasn't he?
Oh. And to think all those years ago, Harry Redknapp couldn't find a position for him at Tottenham.
No, I don't.
No,
like that.
I don't like that kit now.
Why have they not got white on?
Well, I guess because Arsenal have got white shorts.
Shorts.
There's a lot of white in that jersey, isn't there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's join our match commentators, Andy Townsend and Steve Wilson.
With Juan Cruz
Here comes Eduardo Camavinga slipping through, and it's Valentin Rossier
in those areas where...
Here's Mbappe, who strikes. It's blocked down by Sergio.
Title race.
Surpassed 1,000 minutes now in a season who set up Ivan Neyu, who has a hit, and Lunin watches it sail over the bar, but that is the first sign of danger for the visitors. Needs to find an option. He's allowed to hold on to it for quite a while, and Marko Dimitrovic is asked to get involved for the first time. Serbian stands tall to the task, but Madrid are
pretty much the entire game so far. And just
of Luka Modric is very close to Dimitrovic. He makes the catch, and then he tumbles over like a Jenga set.
Nobody's protesting, nobody's anything, so...
Aided with Brahim Diaz, who's gotten in behind. The angle is acute, and he tried to lay it across. Tapia defended well. He sees it out for the game's first corner.
A good reference up front. Diego Garcia as well with those runs.
On the bench. Bellingham.
In your national team, you also gain your from La Fábrica.
Flicks it through. Goulet goes down in the box, and that is an immediate penalty. A silly challenge in the box that's allowed Real Madrid the chance to go ahead with half an hour on the clock.
Let's see the replay, but I think trying to anticipate and get the ball, he might knock down Arda Güler. I'm not sure.
Goal number 21 on the season, and Mbappe does it so calmly, so smooth, so Real Madrid 1-0.
Well, that's a confident player for you. He went for the Panenka penalty, obviously thinking and anticipating that Dimitrovic will go choose one side, as he's done in the previous penalties. The first penalty taken like that, and in a 0-0 important and big goal and penalty for Real Madrid. Dimitrovic, here we are. I'm not sure in this angle we can really. But Dimitrovic kind of saw it. Yeah, it's too late.
Tried to readjust at the last moment.
Well,
here's Mbappe. Well, one back by sit back for Jude Bellingham, and it's blocked by the captain Gonzalez.
We see Bellingham today very cleverly is getting in those positions because Mbappe is coming off, trying to get that ball in that.
Dani Raba over the top, a punch by Lunin. Neyu in a precarious position, does quite well, and
a sloppy pass that allow
Brahim Diaz, and it's Dimitrovic again to smother it up comfortably. A quarter of the way through this game, including Bellingham, who lays it off for Luka Modric, and there's the captain again. That's as good of a save from Sergio Gonzalez.
How unselfish for Bellingham. I like that, to see those players when it gets into the lead when it happens.
Mbappe! That might have shaved the post. It should go down as a save.
A bit more demanding on their team, and I think they understand.
On the right-hand side, he's laid it across. There's an opportunity for Diego Garcia. Is he onside? Leganés might have responded immediately.
Offside.
It will be checked.
I have to say,
but it might come from the defender.
The flag didn't go up.
Exactly.
It didn't go up, the flag. Let me just say that.
Yeah. So I think it comes from a defender, not when he. I'm not sure if it's Raba or Diego Garcia hitting the ball, then it goes to Madrid. There we are.
That is as quick fire of a response as you will see. Rossier is onside, and this is where it gets tricky.
It's Oscar.
He is onside. Fran Garcia and Lunin are both
There
in front of him.
It's Lucas Vázquez.
Now they're coming down with confidence. Brahim Diaz. That was a mosh pit, and somehow Leganés keep it out of the box.
Very well, Brahim. He keeps the calm in the box. I think it's again.
Pape is unmarked in the box. In by Güler. Pape leaves it. Güler hits it. And Dimitri
Leading or scoring.
Thea across the way, just acted to make. Still alive. Back in by Güler. Mbappe just wide.
It's wide, and you cannot let this man get the ball and have the space and the time to think.
Diaz. How about Diego Garcia? Oh, he scuffed it right at the last moment. He's asking for a penalty. He's not going to get it. It's a goal kick and a grand opportunity missed. This will be checked, but it looks like the moment has passed him by.
Yeah, I think when
73,000. And then off the line, Tapia saves it, but he can't keep it out a second time. Jude Bellingham, 90 seconds into the second half, and we are back and level.
Didn't take long. We expected Real Madrid to try to get those balls in the crossing positions. They finding those passes in the box, but then generally Leganés closing up to Real Madrid players. We see here, stay away, good save up. Dimitrowski that maybe leaves the ball inside. There may as well Leganés defense maybe a bit sloppy, watching the ball rather than defend the man. And it's Bellingham who believes, he's getting hopes in watching that ball well. Mari go. Yeah, we see the defense. Nastasic, Gonzalez. Yeah, all the players ball watching. It's Bellingham the one that is saying, okay, if that ball goes where I'm thinking it's going, I'll be there ready. And Leganés did that, which he should have been.
Mbappe, who's always dangerous. Dimitrovic receives a bullet.
And
a pass. Güler trying to
on for his legs.
Leganés have been good about getting back to. Out. A couple of step overs. He gets beyond.
He's
in by Modric. Brahim Diaz off the post. Back out for Güler. Bellingham doesn't want it on his left foot. Rodrigo's on the run, and Tapia makes a tackle from behind. That's going to be a punishment on his part. It is a yellow card for Renato Tapia, and a free kick just outside the box.
I'd like to see that replay. Look very close. The wall.
There is the little touch, and there's the goal from Mbappe to put Madrid ahead. Around the wall, and Real Madrid do what Real Madrid do. His second of the night, his 22nd of the season. And it's a 3-2 lead for Los Blancos.
You could see that he was telling, was it Fran Garcia, like, touch it, I touch it, you stop it. Not sure that ball shifted as the ball moved. Here we see again the free kick. Just touched the ball, but I think there it is. Oh, so
İyi.